What's up, guys? It's Marissa from Krietz Customs, and we are back with another one. Another Krietz Customs build coming your way. I have a 2015 Ford F-150 XLT, and we are going to take a look at the fitment of this build. Starting off with the wheel and tire package. Just kidding. We're going to start with the lift first. This is going to be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift. And then coming down to the wheel and tire package, this is a Nitto Ridge Grappler. The size is a 35, 12, 50, 22 aggressive style tire. And the wheel is going to be a fuel stroke. It is a 22 by 12 with a -44 offset. So this is going to have a nice deep dish look, and it's going to be pushed back. With the -44 offset, as you guys know, it's going to push that wheel out, so it's going to sit about 2 inches from the fenders. If you guys like this Ford, make sure you check out our lifted inventory at KreitzAuto.com. The stock number is D45763. And if you want to build your truck like this or have any questions about fitment, make sure you go to our Facebook page at Krietz Customs.